Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on OMG network. For the last few hours, we were waiting for the breakout of OMG network from the falling wedge pattern, and indeed the price line broke out the resistance of this falling wedge, and this was more than 15% move, and the price line after this breakout moved down again, and right now at this time the price line is testing the previous resistance of this falling wedge as a support, and you can see after several hours the price line has broken out this resistance. It was entered in this falling wedge here on 4th of October, and right now today it has broken out this resistance of the falling wedge. Now at the same time the price line is also testing a very strong uptrend line support. Previously it had been working as a resistance. You can see that we had a rejection, small rejection here, another rejection here, another rejection here, and several rejections we have here. This is, by the way, the daily time frame, and every candlestick represents one day, and for several days we had rejections, and again price line broke out, and after this correction the price line is testing this support. And if I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then you can see that the price line has been retraced between 0.50 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So we are very close to the golden pocket as well, and at the same time the price line has also broken out. We have already watched that the price line has broken out the resistance of the cup as well. This was the cup in handle formation, and this was the handle of the cup, this was the resistance of the cup. We had a nice breakout, and the target of this cup was approximately at $21. So far the price line has rallied up to $18.21. That was the target of this bull flag as well, because at the same time the price action also formed a bull flag, and I told you that after this breakout our first target as per this bull flag will be, if I place this pole of the flag here, then that will be approximately at $18, and the price line rallied beyond $18. So we are waiting for still a due move that is up to $21. That is the target of this cup in handle. Now if we switch back to the 4-hourly time frame, here I have also placed the relative strength index. Then you can see that we have formed, after a long time, we have formed first higher than previous high, and we have also formed another lower than previous low. So this is a very nice and bullish gesture, and we can expect that soon the price line, after a successful retest, it can have a successful retest from here, and then we can have a reversal from here. Now if we take a look at the target of this falling wedge as well, because recently the price line has also broken out this falling wedge, then the target of the falling wedge can be the tail of this wedge, that is approximately again $18. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.